Buster 909 here. That's my version of Slim Harpo's Shake Your Hips Boogie. Lick is actually quite accurate to what's on the record. And I'm doing the fills an octave lower, and you can do them higher, and I'll show you that in a minute. I'm tuned to E, A, high E. So this one is back down to where a 6-string guitar would be, but this one isn't. So that way my octave is there of that string. It's real handy. Otherwise it'd be up here. You know, which is doable, but you wouldn't be able to do the other stuff so well. So anyway, the main lick starts off on 3, and then in between each thing that you play, you're going to hit this 5 on the high string. So 3, 5, open A, 5, 3, 5, open A, high 5. You want to put a little bit of a swing into it, you know, so it doesn't sound too stiff. So that's a basic boogie lick. Now to add in a fill lick, you're going to add in 5 and 3 on. So it's right after the G, or the 3 on the low string, 3 on the middle, or any variation thereof. And then the other one he throws in a lot is the opposite. And how I do that is I go to the 3, lie my finger down, and go to the 3 on the middle. So that's 3 on the low, 3 on the middle, and then 5, and then the open middle of the string. That's pretty good. You can mess around with that. You might be happy just leaving it right there. Oh, and the high note too on the record is sort of muted, so you can sort of lift up on it if you want. You know, it's up to you, whatever sounds best to you. Now to put in those licks an octave higher, they would be up here. So it'd be like that. Whoops, not like that. And then of course the opposites. So you notice when I went up and did the high notes there, it sounds a little empty because you can't keep that extra little bit going in. You can pedal on the middle string if you want to fill that in. To me that doesn't sound quite right. But anyway, that'll get you playing the song, and even if you just stay down here, that's pretty cool, I think. And that's the chord there. So before I go, I thought I'd mention a guitar I'm using. This is a metal top guitar. I call it my apocalypse guitar. And it has a metal back. Has a full fat humbucking pickup pressed up against the lid, so you can get all sorts of shuffle sounds or nail sounds, whatever you want to fill in your playing when you're playing by yourself. The neck came from MBG Guitars. I want to try one of their necks. It's a really nicely done neck. It's pretty low frets, which I kind of like. It's kind of cool. It was very fragile though. It was broken in the box, so I managed to glue it together. I can't even see where the break mark is now. Anyway, yeah, it broke where one of the frets is. And yeah, still sort of tweaking it up a bit. But that's what I've been up to. And I'm using a Vox Mini 5 amp today, just for a change. I usually use my Cube, which I mainly use because it sounds great, but it also, the camera likes it. The camera also likes this amp, this little Vox amp that's up here too, for whatever reason. So I hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.